Hey guys, it's your girl Shala, PROMOSTK, Shala Creations Way, and PROMOSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. And y'all know what I got going on here. I have an unboxing, and it's by Dee Diets. It's something I want. Oh yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Come on in and help me open it up. Oh yeah. What's up everybody? It's your girl Shala, PROMOSTK, eating good in the neighborhood, and PROMOSTK, Shala Creations Way. Alright you guys, I know y'all saw me doing the day 16. That's my Joe Montana day, oh yeah. And Dee Diets was recommending comment number 16. So you guys have already seen our video, and y'all gonna show her some love because she recommended that all veggie meal. Oh yeah, a plant-based, and we did that. You'll also catch it on at 5:05 p.m. on PromoSTK, Shala's Creations Way. But y'all, I didn't want to do two of these in the same video, so I decided to do a separate video because today is her day. Yeah, Dee Diets. Oh yeah, and Buddy too. Don't forget about Buddy, the talking Bichon. Oh yeah, check Buddy. See, Bella said say hi to Buddy. She knows Buddy. Okay, Bella. He said hi back. All right, Dee. So, I got a package, and I'm gonna open it up. I went to the I had to go to Fort Rucker to the commissary. Yes, well, I didn't plan on going to the commissary. I was just out and about and decided to go to the commissary. But I passed by the post office, and I hadn't been to the post office in a while, at least a couple weeks. So this package has been there since probably the first of this month. Oh, excuse me. Or it has on here expected delivery date January 29th. So yeah, I haven't been there for a while. I think she mailed it out. Shows January 25th. I'm sorry, Dee, I'm just getting to your package, but it works out perfectly because I get to do it for your day. Yay! All right, so I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna find out. I've been watching her videos like crazy, and she was going to be doing a drawing, and wow, this is a Hammond's dark chocolate dunking spoon. I can't wait to try that. Now, let me see the card, because I see she's got a card. She's got my name on it, Shala. All right, let's see. Quiet, please. Drum roll. Says, thank you. Oh, dear Shala, congrats on your win. I knew it. Hope you enjoy the jelly and cocoa. Love, Dee. Thanks for playing along. Oh, that is so precious. Thank you, Dee. Yeah, I know I read my cards out. All right. And this is wrapped up so good. Let me see if I can. All right. I know I'm going to have to cut. So she got this baby wrapped up good. That's what I'm talking about. She said on the card, jelly. So I know what jelly it is. It's a healthy jelly. The jelly that she's making the fruits out of. Yes, elderberry. Yay! I was hoping I'd win this. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. She's made, I've been seeing her making an elixir out of the elderberry. And if you guys have not gone over to her channel, it says Amish Wedding Naturally Good Old-Fashioned Elderberry Jelly. And I will be trying this jelly on some biscuits or some toast or whatever I can get it on. Oh, go. I finally won something. I don't win. I don't win much. I don't hardly win anything. All right, so this is gonna be my thumbnail right here. Right here, thumbnail. Yeah. Let me do a real close-up thumbnail. So I'm gonna put this like there, and then I'm gonna go like this, cause I want y'all to see. Yeah. Uh-oh. Like that. Look at that elderberry, y'all. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Thank you so much, Dee Diets and Buddy. Thank you, guys. PromoSTK. PromoSTK. Oh, I just popped it, y'all. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good neighborhood. Ooh, eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good. Oh yeah, baby's at. Oh yeah. Now y'all know I can't get out this camera without trying this. Yeah, I know I can't. Let me see. No, I can't get out the camera without trying it. Oh wow. That's good. This is good. And it says what? What does it say? It says naturally good. Yeah, baby. Ooh, yeah. Well, I'm excited about this. Serving size 26 servings. It's one tablespoon per serving. It's got 14 grams of sugar. I taste the sugar, but it's okay. 1 tablespoon not gonna kill me. Sugar, elderberry juice from concentrate, water, pectin, citric acid. You can't beat those names, y'all. 18-ounce jar. So I've opened it. Now I gotta refrigerate it. Can't wait to put this on some biscuits or even some pancakes. What else can I put this on? I don't know. I may make a dessert recipe out of this too. You never know. So thank you guys. If you haven't already, hit that red button to make it turn great today. Subscribe to my channel. Share. Go over to Dee Diets and say, "Ooh, I love the gift you got for Shella at PromoSTK that she won. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Dark hot chocolate dipping spoon. So I guess you just make you a good old cup of hot water or hot milk and put this in there. Look at that. Wow, that's so unique. Look at that. That's so unique. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited for my gifts. Thank you, Dee. To the next video. And don't forget, if y'all have not checked out day 16 for a requested meal, because Dee Diet is the one that requests, go check it out. And go to her channel and show her some love and say, "Oh, I like what you suggested. It looks so good." Also, put a comment below because I want to see it. I want to know. I want to know. Can you tell me please? I want to know. Can you tell me please? Love you guys. Y'all know I love y'all. Hope you love me back.